a quick 10 to 15 minute pitch on how you can demo the product, as well as talk about the vision of Apna and the kind of candidate base and recruiter base we have. So you can pick up some keywords and some insights from here. This is just based on my experience, but this will just help you put your best foot forward potentially. Apna was started in 2019 with the intent to improve access to opportunities as well as job discovery for job seekers and the ability for recruiters to fulfill their open requirements fast. It was based on the insight that after even a lot of efforts in terms of hiring, development, job boards, etc., there was still this problem of matching the right candidate to the right job, and that's why Apna was built. Also came out from a problem that Nirmit, the founder, faced himself. So started in 2019, the first version of the product came during COVID, and since then Apna has rapidly scaled. We've onboarded almost 5 crore registered job seekers who've come in, built a profile on Apna to find jobs. Almost 7 lakh recruiters in our lifetime have used Apna to fulfill their frontline bulk hiring requirements, and that is what Apna really specializes in. Apna specializes in helping companies hire their operations, frontline sales, customer support, manufacturing, as well as hospitality operations roles, and across even entry level software roles as well. We've been used by over 7 lakh happy recruiters, and we are present across 890 cities across tier 1 as well as tier 2 cities in India. This is a list of the customers that we worked with, across banking, BPO, FMCG, retail, hospitality, as well as staffing. So these large companies have used us for different use cases. So entry level, sales roles, customer support roles, operations roles like steward, hospitality managers, as well as entry level, Java developers, web developers, etc. And staffing companies have used us for a wide variety of roles that they have. So fairly proud of the ability to service so many people across. uh, from a candidate split perspective, we have a healthy volume of females, freshers, as well as undergraduates and graduates on the platform. And these candidates are present across India in tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 cities. So we are not concentrated in only tier 1 cities. We're present in tier 2 and tier 3 as well. From an industry perspective, we specialize a lot in BFSI, BPO, accounting, auditing, education, medical services, retail, manufacturing. And just to add to the industries we spoke about, we do really well in medical services, as well as in education. And as I was mentioning, our sweet spot is in the 0 to 6 year bracket. That's where a major chunk of our user base is, and that's where a lot of the opportunities also exist in the country. This just illustrates the variety of roles that we are able to service and fulfill. uh, we do this with a very tech first approach. We want to be able to build solutions, capabilities that actually help recruiters become more productive and candidates actually being able to find the best job for them. So we've integrated deeply with WhatsApp. We allow hyper local search and matching. We create our customer support, because a lot of our customers are first time job portal users. Our customer support is state of the art. It's we want to make sure that we make you successful. That is our core goal. So our customer support is fantastic. uh, we solve your hiring requirements. We solve the customer hiring requirements through two product lines that we have. One is the smart jobs, and the second is a database. The smart jobs product is great for inbound hiring. It might be medium relevance, but very very high intent, because these people have seen the job on a job feed and applied. Whereas a database is a medium intent but very high relevance, because you can actually find the candidate and convert them and hire them. So I'll quickly move on to the database product and show you how that works.
There are two ways to search on Apna. One, manually add keywords. Two, use Apna's AI search. Our AI recommends multiple keywords based on recruiter input. Our AI recommends cities around smaller cities for ensure more candidates. Add education, salary, and experience details. With Appna's AI search, just write a text input with your requirement and let Appna do the rest of the work. AI search helps almost 2x your search results. Appna is focused on being economical and effective. We do not charge for viewing a profile. You will only be charged if you unlock phone number. Appna passes the candidate's resume and updates the candidate profile for maximum relevance. We auto-generate resume for candidates who have not updated their resume. This is very useful for consultants and staffing companies. Next, we will discuss the important filters that recruiters love. Let's start with the area filter. This filter helps you hire candidates who are in a 5 kilometers radius of your office. There are more than 12,000 areas you can search candidates from. Candidate location is based on GPS and is 70 to 80% accurate. Candidate either live or work in the area identified. Search candidates from over 200 industries. Industry search is another recruiter favorite. Appna has enriched the candidate industry through AI. For specific searches in specialized roles like nursing, pharmacy, manufacturing, search candidates based on degree and specialization. Search candidates based on the companies they have worked at. Understand preferences and notice periods. With WhatsApp Invite, you can cut short your calling time by 30 to 40%. Invite candidates to view and apply for your job before calling them. Add all important details you want to convey. You have the option to add walk-in details to give process transparency to candidates. This improves intent and interview show-up rate. Invite thousands of candidates within minutes. Manage all leads who have accepted the invite conveniently in our invite center. You do not have to worry about 100s of responses in your WhatsApp inbox. This is streamlined and convenient. Job seekers can respond to the invite, get job details, and connect with the recruiter. With a 30 to 40% response rate on invites, the process is more efficient and targeted. Major companies like Teleperformance, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Reliance, and Teamlease are seeing great success with this feature. Appna is a multi-member product and lets you coordinate with your team. Add notes which your fellow recruiters in your org can see. Filter candidates that have been unlocked by your colleagues. Save searches that work for everyone in your org. Find all unlocked candidates by you or your teams in one central place. There are 2 ways to post a job: post from scratch or use our expert templates. Get up to 1.5x more leads and 2-3x more industry matched leads using Appna's expert templates. Add location, salary and perks. Make changes to template added requirements. On step 2, you can add almost 15 filters to get high volume and candidate relevance. All other departments relevant to your sourcing. Precisely define your industry, degree, gender, age, distance, language, asset and skills requirements. Our AI matching algorithm will take all these inputs and market your job to the relevant candidates. Basis all the inputs we create matching, assessments and our matched leads list we will show shortly. You can define how you want to run your interview process on Apna. We have enabled the ability to add walk-in details on your job to ensure more candidates are aware and show up for the interview. Choose whether you want to answer calls or other team member answer calls. Job gets a walk-in tag. Appna has 3 job types for different hiring needs. Each job remains live for 15 days from the day of posting. Overview. The classic job is our basic job posting option. It ranks lower compared to other job types and gets fewer impressions, and volume of leads it is okay for low-budget hiring and single vacancy positions. Premium job attracts 2x more leads than a classic job. It ranks higher ranking than classic jobs. Premium is good for general hiring needs. We promote premium jobs to candidates on WhatsApp. With a click-through rate ranging between 6 to 12%, our recommendations are driving meaningful connections and opportunities for job seekers across the platform. Premium jobs are ranked high. We add an urgently hiring tag to prompt more candidates to apply. We promote premium jobs to candidates on WhatsApp. With a click-through rate ranging between 6 to 12%, our recommendations are driving meaningful connections and opportunities for job seekers across the platform. Premium jobs are ranked high. We add an urgently hiring tag to prompt more candidates to apply. Super premium jobs have a guaranteed top place in the featured jobs carousel. Our matched leads feature will help you identify the most relevant candidates first. The matched leads are tagged on the basis of the job you post. You can view the entire profile of the candidate and shortlist. We provide 19 filters to shortlist the most relevant candidates first. Our lead management dashboard lets you manage your recruitment process easily. You can easily view candidates you have to connect with and shortlisted in one place. Update call status to follow up. Shortlist relevant candidates. View all shortlisted candidates in one place. Update their interview or selection status. Download all leads in an Excel. Recruiters love getting real-time inbound job applicant updates on WhatsApp. 90% recruiters on Apna opt for this feature. We send over 6 million applicant updates each month, allowing recruiters to connect with job seekers instantly and cutting hiring time by 50%. Candidate come on job feed and see jobs relevant for them. They see the urgently hiring jobs, jobs with walk-in details all on the feed. We also show your company logo for trust. If a candidate searches for a job and doesn't match some criteria, we add a warning before they can apply. We verify if candidates applying from outside your city are open to relocation. We verify whether candidates who are applying from a certain distance are willing to travel for the job. We ensure candidates are aware of and consent to these deposits/fees if you have added during job posting. We verify candidate interest based on location, schedule, and shift. If preferences differ, we ask if they still want to apply. You can define assets candidates should have. We check if candidates have these assets or certifications. List desired languages. Candidates must match one, or languages will be assessed. To add custom screening questions, contact support or your customer success manager. This screens candidates before they become leads. Once the assessment is passed, candidates can then call or message you. They can also see the while-in details.